What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Andrew Capital, and thank you guys for joining me today. Today, we're going to talk about a Friday setup that we can use, ICT concepts. It's kind of a, thank God it's Friday setup, okay? And you can use this on Fridays to get pretty nice setups at the end of the day, towards the end of the day. So if maybe you've had a rough AM session and you're looking at the PM session, you can recover some trades or some losing positions. Or if you just wait till the end of the day for this trade on Friday to set up. Okay, so first thing we're going to need, you can use this on Euro USD, GBP USD, SP 500, NAS 100, or US 30. Okay. On Friday, I took this on the S&P 500 or ES. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait for price to enter 5-minute fair value gap. Then you can drop down to the 1 minute, 30-second, or 15-second time frame. Okay, then we're going to wait for a market structure shift plus fair value gap. And then you're going to enter. Then we're going to target some opposing liquidity. Okay. So let's get into the example we did on Friday. But before we do that, if you're interested to get into the Market Militia Discord, it's still only $50. Get in here. We trade live Tuesday through Thursday, the AM session from 10 to 11 a.m. Or if you want the boot camp, it's every Monday for 2 hours long in the morning. So if you get the boot camp, you get the Discord lifetime access included. Or if you just want the master class, which is lecture based, it also comes with lifetime access to the Discord. But right now it's only $50 to get in, limited time discount for the Discord. Bunch of people passing their combines in here. My brother just passed his. We have tons of people passing their props, getting their certificates, getting payouts, and we do giveaways in here, prop firm and combine giveaways. So tons and tons of so much value in here. We have extras, indicators, psychology, journaling, backtesting, a bunch of different chat rooms. Would love you guys come join me live Tuesday through Thursday in the Discord. We have an amazing community. So get in before the price goes up. It's only $50. It's nothing. So, but let's get back into this example here. So on Friday here, we're at the end of the day, about 3:30 p.m. EST. Okay, you always want to make sure that you're on UTC -4. Okay, so we're on the 5-minute time frame. If you notice, we're inside of this 5-minute BISI, right? This bullish fair value gap. Okay, so when we drop down here, we were respecting it. So once we start trading in there, you can drop down to the 1 minute if you wanted to, right? You can see we're in this. Or what I did was drop down to the 15-second time frame. And since we're inside of this 5-minute fair value gap, right? This is the 5-minute. We're going to wait for a market structure shift inside of the 5-minute on the 15-second chart. Okay. So there's some nice displacement there. So you can see we created a bullish fair value gap right in here, right? Took out market structure here. There's our market structure shift. Bullish fair value gap. So you can be a buyer in here. What would we be targeting? Well, we have some highs up here. Go on the 30-second. You can see we kind of cleared some liquidity in here, all in here. And actually, I believe this is where I took the buys from, right here, at the end of the day, maybe. So you can see here we had market structure shift. We're inside of the 5-minute. We just took out all of this liquidity in here. And we have some relatively equal highs up here. Okay, create a bullish fair value gap. Be a buyer in here. Right, and we're going to target this high for our buy side liquidity. And you see there, boom, right into the end of the day. You're still safe in here if you're with your stop below. Here at 5 points. Almost a 1 to 2 there. And you're done. We can also go forward to this next example down here and see how this one played out. And we drop into that 5-minute, market structure shift, create a fair value gap. You can see this one just digs lower. So the premise here is using the end of the day candle, right? We have the daily candle, and then you have its wick, and getting the retracement and trying to catch that shift that's going to happen from the end of the wick here on a tiny smaller time frame, catching that retracement, and then catching it into the close of the candle of the day, right? So see here, we took out some more liquidity in there. All of these lows were taken out. Right? Okay, we start to shift higher. I would be a buyer in here. Stops below the low. Get your quick 5 points there. And boom. Okay. See how we had this bullish fair value gap in here. And then we had a tiny one right in here. Boom, boom. Take the highs again. Okay. So quick video on the TGIF setup. Kind of a power of 3 reverse at the end of the day on a Friday. Really cool ICT concept on the 15-second. Again, you can do this on the 1 minute and possibly find an entry. But I've been using the 15-second and the 30-second have been really nice on the end of the week. So if you guys have any questions, comment below. Come join us in the Discord, man. Would love to have you guys. Click the link in the description. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, guys, trade safe.